G'day guys, my name's Taz. Today we're going to install this Johnny Reb Hellyer Gorge leather brown side bag on this my project XVS650. Guys, with the peanut tank, I get about 160, 180 kilometres, which is fine, but Tasmania's a pretty remote rural place. If I want to do longer trips, I'm going to need to carry fuel, and so I've bought these Soto wide mouth 1 litre aluminium fuel bottles that I'm going to carry in the Johnny Reb side bag, mounted near the shaft drive of the XVS650. This bag will end up mounted about there, which in my opinion is going to look really cool. The bag itself, absolute bargain. Johnny Reb, I'm not affiliated with them in any way. I bought this with my own money and it was only at $69.95 with free shipping. Ultimately, I bought it on a day that Johnny Reb had a 30% off sale. Absolute bargain. A lot of the side bags that you see on the internet are PU leather, and this is genuine leather. Genuine leather. Hellyer, it's right hand side. So this one is right hand side, which means that on a Sportster or something like that, it goes that way. I bought it specifically for the XVS650, and so I wanted the wide mouth towards the engine and the narrow end towards the tyre, just to make sure that it fit in that gap, and it's about perfect. I might have to just shift the indicator up to that just to clear, but we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. The bag itself is really quite good quality. It's very thick leather, it's very well presented, it's very well made. I actually couldn't be happier with it. Leather straps for the look, but you've got plastic quick release clips for ease of access. On the back you've got pre-cut slots, and you get supplied with 3 leather belts to mount, but I've also got some pretty heavy duty cable ties I'm going to use and then cover them with the leather straps. The bag itself appears really good quality. The stitching is neat and even. It's well finished. I could not be happier with it actually. For the $69, it's an absolute bargain. Even at normal price, $109 delivered, it's an absolute bargain. These bottles are wide mouth. They're just aluminium fuel bottles, Soto, made in Japan, 1 litre capacity. What I found is that the tank itself will do about 160 kilometres of pretty hard riding. 1 litre does about 30 kilometres, so let's say with hard riding 1 litre does about 25, so there's 50 litres. 160 to 180 puts me to about 230, which is about where I was at before hitting reserve on the stock tank. For a peanut tank and a 2 litre reserve, that's pretty good for this area. I should be able to find a fuel station within a 230 kilometre range. So let's get rid of the tags. And first things first, we're just going to drill another hole in the leather further down so I can fit my bottles and with the lids in. want the bag to sit right down here. So we'll use our cable ties to get it in position. That looks cool. I think I'm actually going to stick with the big cable ties rather than the leather straps. It just allows me to pull down harder, mount it firmer. Oh yeah, and you can still see the indicator. That is absolutely perfect. Guys, there is the Johnny Reb Hellyer Gorge side back. Hellyer Gorge is an amazing place in Tasmania, and if you ever find yourself riding in this state, you need to go there. That Hellyer Gorge road is one of the best roads I've ever ridden. This is the Hellyer Gorge side bag or solo bag, and just by adjusting where the holes sit, I've managed to easily and securely have my two 1 litre Soto Japanese made aluminium fuel bottles. Instead of the leather straps, I've used heavy duty zip ties. I think that'll hold it more securely, and it made it more adjustable. From the back, you can still see the indicators perfectly. They're bright enough to easily be discernible when I'm using them, despite the fact that the side bag's in position. If you're worried about it touching down, it's not the lowest point of the bike, so it's not going to be the first thing that rubs. And the other benefit of it is that it hides some of the shaft drive, just cleans up the side of the bike. So win-win, carries my fuel bottles, won't scrub, hides the shaft drive. I think it's great. I couldn't be happier with it, guys. So till I see you next time, I'm out.